Hey everyone, Marcus here, and welcome to today's video where I'm gonna break down exactly how to build your first 10,000 euros in investments. Before we jump in, comment below and let me know, how much do you currently have invested? Are you just starting out, or are you already past that first Euro 10K milestone? I'm genuinely curious where you're all at. So here's the thing. Getting to that first 10,000 euros invested feels impossible when you're starting from zero. I remember staring at my empty brokerage account thinking, how the hell am I supposed to get to 10,000 euros? But let's be real. Once you understand the mechanics of it, it becomes way more achievable than you think. I'm gonna walk you through the exact approach that worked for me. And more importantly, I'm gonna show you the math so you can see this is actually doable. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you this is easy. It's not. It requires discipline, it requires consistency, and yeah, sometimes it requires saying no to things you want right now. But if you're serious about building wealth in Europe, about reaching that 100,000 euros net worth, this first Euro 10K is your foundation. Everything builds from here. Let's start with the most important thing, your savings rate. An ETF is just a basket of stocks that you can buy in one go. It is that simple. But before you can invest in ETFs, you need money to invest. So the real question is, how much can you realistically save each month? And I'm talking realistically here, not some fantasy number where you eat rice and beans every day and never see your friends. That's not sustainable. For me, when I was building my first Euro 10K, I was saving around 400 euros per month. Some months it was 350 euros, some months I managed 500 euros, but 400 euros was my average. Now, you might be thinking, Marcus, I can't save 400 euros a month. That's completely fine. Even if you're just starting with 50 euros or 100 euros per month, you're still moving in the right direction. The earlier you start, the better, because compound growth is your best friend. Let me show you the math here. If you save 400 euros per month, that's 4,800 euros per year. With zero market returns, just cash sitting there, you'd hit 10,000 euros in about 25 months. That's just over 2 years. But here's where it gets interesting. If you're investing that money in a globally diversified ETF, let's say something tracking the MSCI world, and the market gives you an average return of around 7% per year, you'd actually hit 10,000 euros in about 23 months. Not a massive difference, to be honest, but every bit helps. Now, if you can only save 200 euros per month, you're looking at roughly 50 months, or just over 4 years, to reach that Euro 10K mark with similar returns. And look, 4 years might sound like forever when you're in your 20s or early 30s, but time is going to pass anyway. You can either be sitting here in 4 years with 10,000 euros invested, or you can be sitting here with nothing. That's just the way I view it. The next piece of the puzzle is choosing the right broker. In Europe, we've got some solid options: Trade Republic, Degiro, Scalable Capital, Interactive Brokers. I personally use Trade Republic because the interface is clean, they offer free savings plans on ETFs, and honestly, it just works for me. But do your own research here. What matters is finding a broker with low fees, access to UCITS ETFs, and ideally the ability to set up automatic investments. And that automatic investment part, that's crucial. I cannot stress this enough. Set up a standing order from your bank account to your broker, and set up an automatic ETF savings plan. Make it happen on the same day each month, right after your salary comes in. You know what I mean? Take the decision making out of it, because if you wait until the end of the month to invest whatever's left over, I guarantee you there won't be anything left over. So what should you actually invest in? This is where people get paralyzed by choice, but it's actually pretty straightforward. For your first Euro 10K, keep it simple. I'm talking 1 or 2 ETFs maximum. A globally diversified ETF like the MSCI World or the FTSE All World gives you exposure to thousands of companies across developed markets. That's instant diversification. You're not trying to pick the next Apple or betting on a single country's economy. You're literally investing in the global economy. Now, some people split their portfolio between developed and emerging markets. Maybe 80% MSCI World and 20% emerging markets. That's fine too. I did that for a while. But to be completely honest with you, When you're building that first Euro 10K, the most important thing is just getting the money invested consistently. You can optimize your allocation later when you've got more capital to work with. Here's something nobody talks about enough: the psychological journey of building that first Euro 10K. Because it's not just about the numbers, it's about building the habit and the mindset. In the beginning, watching your portfolio grow from 500 euros to 1,000 euros to 2,000 euros feels painfully slow. You're putting in 400 euros a month and it feels like nothing is happening. But then something shifts. Once you hit around 5,000 euros, you start to notice that your monthly returns from the market can actually be more than you're contributing. That's when it clicks. Let me give you a real example. When my portfolio was at 6,000 euros and the market had a good month with a 3% return, that's 180 euros in gains. I wasn't even investing 400 euros that month. I think it was more like 350 euros. But my portfolio still grew by over 500 euros total. That's the power of investing. Real talk, that's when I truly understood what compound growth means. It's not just theory, it's actual euros showing up in your account. But here's the flip side, and I'm not gonna lie to you about this. The market goes down too. The market could drop 10% tomorrow, and that's completely normal. When you're sitting on 4,000 euros and suddenly it drops to 3,600 euros in a week, that feels terrible. Your brain is screaming at you to sell, to stop investing, to just keep cash under your mattress. But that's exactly when you need to keep going. Those dips are when you're buying shares at a discount. If I'm being honest, I still struggle with this sometimes. It never feels good to see red in your portfolio, but it's part of the game. At the end of the day, building your first 10,000 euros in investments comes down to three things. First, figure out your savings rate and be realistic about it. Second, automate everything so you're not relying on willpower every month. And third, stay consistent even when it's boring, even when the market drops, even when you'd rather spend that money on something else. Let's be real. There were months when I wanted to skip my investment to go on a trip or buy something I didn't really need. Sometimes I did skip it. And you know what? That's okay. We're human. But most months, I stuck to the plan. And that consistency is what got me past Euro 10K, then Euro 20K. And now I'm working toward that Euro 100K goal. If you're just starting out with 50 euros per month, that's 600 euros per year. And you'll hit Euro 10K in roughly 15 to 16 years if you're just saving cash. But if you invest it and get market returns, you could cut that down to 10 to 11 years. If you can increase that contribution over time as you get raises or side income, even better. The key is to start now and adjust as you go. Here's my actual advice for you. Open a brokerage account this week if you haven't already. Choose one broker, don't overthink it. Pick one ETF. I'd suggest an MSCI World or FTSE All World fund. Set up an automatic savings plan for whatever amount you can genuinely afford and just let it run. Check on it once a month, maybe once a quarter if you can handle that. Don't obsess over daily fluctuations. You're building wealth, not day trading. And look, if you want to join a community of people who are also working toward these goals, drop a comment below with where you're at in your journey. Are you at Euro 1K, Euro 5K, still at zero, but ready to start? I try to respond to as many comments as I can. And honestly, this community is one of the most supportive groups I've found. We're all grinding toward financial independence together. That's it from me. If this video helped you understand how to actually reach that first 10,000 euros invested, do me a favor and hit that like button. Subscribe if you want more European personal finance content, and I'll see you in the next one where I'm breaking down my latest net worth update. Let's get to that Euro 100K together. Peace.